Hey guys, I'll be making a video on how to convert your proteus file to G code. So the first step is to open your proteus file. Once you open your proteus file, you go to output, you go to your output, then generate a global and Exelon file. So you can rename it to Victor Versace 1. Then you mirror your image. So we have the top copper, bottom copper. I don't need the top silk, and the drill. So good. So export, you can the output to be a single zip file so that everything will not be scattered on your desktop. So you can use the metric, that's an mm. Okay, so we are done. We are done with that. So go to your desktop. Go to your desktop, then search for Versace. You search for Versace, Victor Versace 1. So you should see it. Yeah, there's it. So once we have our bottom copper, the drill, and the rest. So from here you can open your flatCam. Open your flatCam. So from flatCam we have four steps. Now we already have our GABA file. So flatCam converts it to G code. The first step is to import the GABA file you already did. So set to one. I import my bottom copper, then Exelon file, the drill. So select the bottom copper first, then we make little changes. This should be 0. So we create a geometry around the trace. So this is our trace. So as you can see, it has already created a geometry around the trace. We do the same thing. We already have uh, our board cut out here, so I actually don't need to generate a geometry for the board cutout. So next we go to the drill. We select the drill. So for the drill, the cut Z is negative 0.24. Then our feed rate is correct. So I generate this. So next I go to my mill. I'm using 0.01 for my mill. So now we have a CNC ISO file for the bottom copper and the drill. So Next we go to our bottom copper. So from the bottom copper ISO file, we have to make a new geometry for the, you have to turn them to a CNC file. So first we have the cut Z, changing this, I think I have to change this to 0.5, 0.04, then my feed rate 15. So once I generate this I should have, yeah, so as you can see the two parts becomes low. This is where our CNC will drill across surface. So we do the same thing for the drill. Do the same thing for the drill. So 0.4, feed rate should be 15. Wow. So yes, I think there's an error here. And then our two diameter, no, our two diameter should be 0.031. So yes, so now we have generated a CNC mill file for our bottom copper and the drill. The next you have to export it to G code. So how do you export it to G code? You select the bottom copper, then click on export. But the flatCam does not have a space to specify spindle speed, so I have to set it manually. Yeah, so I set it to S16500, S16500. Then that's it allows my mill to speed at 16500 RPM. Then I export as finished dot nc .nc. Then my drill also, I select spindle speed 16500, finished. drill.nc. Now we are through exporting to our G code. So the next is to open the GBRL. I have it here, my CNC machine. Okay, so we can import our file here. Open document, then finished. So here we have our G code, input. Once we are through with this, we can implement our mail. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. You can leave a comment below for any questions. This is my G code. Then you can leave a comment below. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.